Ah, jacuzzis. They beckon us with promises of relaxation and relief. Slipping into that warm, bubbling water can feel like a mini vacation. Muscles loosen, stress melts away, and for a little while, all is right with the world. But wait, before you grab your swimsuit and head for the nearest hot tub, let's talk about who might want to think twice before taking the plunge. For expectant mothers, a soak in the jacuzzi might seem like a great way to soothe aching muscles and joints. The warm, bubbling water can feel incredibly relaxing, especially when you're dealing with the physical changes and discomforts that come with pregnancy. It's natural to seek out ways to ease the strain on your body, and a jacuzzi might seem like the perfect solution. However, it's crucial to understand that pregnant women are more susceptible to heat-related issues. The body's ability to regulate temperature is altered during pregnancy, making it easier to overheat. This is particularly concerning because overheating can lead to dehydration and other complications that can affect both the mother and the baby. Elevated body temperature during pregnancy, especially in the first trimester, has been linked to potential risks for the developing baby. Studies have shown that excessive heat exposure can interfere with the baby's development, potentially leading to neural tube defects and other serious conditions. It's a critical time when the baby's organs are forming, and maintaining a stable, safe body temperature is essential. The warm water of a jacuzzi can cause a pregnant woman's body temperature to rise quickly. Even a short soak can elevate your core temperature to levels that are unsafe during pregnancy. The heat from the water, combined with the body's reduced ability to cool down, can create a dangerous situation before you even realize it. This can lead to overheating, which is not good for the baby. Overheating can cause symptoms like dizziness, nausea and fainting, which are not only uncomfortable but can also be harmful. In severe cases, it can lead to heat stroke, a serious condition that requires immediate medical attention. It's best to avoid jacuzzis altogether during pregnancy. While it might be disappointing to skip this form of relaxation, the health and safety of you and your baby are far more important. There are plenty of other ways to relax that don't carry the same risks. If you're expecting, a warm bath or shower is a much safer way to relax and unwind. Warm, but not hot, water can still provide relief for sore muscles and help you feel more comfortable. Adding some soothing bath salts or essential oils can enhance the experience, making it a pleasant and safe alternative to a jacuzzi. Always remember to listen to your body and consult with your healthcare provider about the best ways to stay comfortable and safe during your pregnancy. For those with heart conditions, enjoying a jacuzzi requires careful consideration. The warm, soothing waters of a jacuzzi can be incredibly inviting, offering relaxation and relief from stress. However, for individuals with heart issues, this seemingly harmless activity can pose significant risks. The heat from the water, combined with the buoyancy, can put extra stress on the heart. This is because the high temperatures cause blood vessels to dilate, which can lead to a drop in blood pressure. In response, the heart has to work harder to maintain adequate blood flow and oxygen delivery to the body's tissues. This can be particularly concerning for individuals with high blood pressure, heart failure, or other cardiovascular issues. The increased workload on the heart can exacerbate existing conditions, potentially leading to serious complications such as arrhythmias or even heart attacks. Before using a jacuzzi, it's essential to talk to your doctor if you have any heart problems. A healthcare professional can assess your individual risk factors and provide personalized advice. They may recommend limiting the duration of your soak, avoiding very hot water, or even abstaining from jacuzzi use altogether. They can advise you on the safety of jacuzzi use based on your specific condition and medical history. Your doctor might also suggest alternative methods of relaxation that are safer for your heart, such as gentle stretching exercises, meditation, or warm but not hot baths. It's always better to err on the side of caution when it comes to your heart health. Taking the time to consult with your doctor and following their recommendations can help you enjoy relaxation without compromising your well-being. Remember, your heart is precious, and taking steps to protect it is always worth the effort. If you have any open sores, cuts, or skin infections, it's best to steer clear of jacuzzis altogether. The warm, moist environment of a hot tub can create a breeding ground for bacteria. This can lead to infections and other complications, especially for those with compromised skin. Even minor skin irritations can become aggravated by the chemicals often used in jacuzzis to maintain cleanliness. If you have any concerns about your skin, it's always wise to consult with a dermatologist before using a jacuzzi or hot tub. Section 5. Open wounds and jacuzzis, a risky combination. Open wounds and jacuzzis are a combination best avoided. The allure of a warm, bubbling jacuzzi can be tempting, especially when you're looking to relax and unwind. However, if you have an open wound, it's important to resist this temptation. Just like with skin infections, the warm water and potential presence of bacteria in a jacuzzi can hinder the healing process of open wounds. The heat and moisture create an ideal environment for bacteria to thrive, which can lead to infections. They can also increase the risk of infection. When bacteria enter an open wound, it can cause redness, swelling, and even pus. In severe cases, it might lead to more serious health issues that require medical attention. If you have an open wound, it's crucial to keep it clean and dry to promote healing. Regularly cleaning the wound with antiseptic and keeping it covered with a sterile bandage can help prevent infections and speed up the healing process. Soaking in a jacuzzi can introduce bacteria and moisture to the wound, potentially delaying healing and increasing the risk of complications. The warm water can soften the skin around the wound, making it more susceptible to tearing and further injury. Stick to showers or baths until your wound is fully healed. Showers are generally safer because they allow you to control the water flow and avoid direct contact with the wound. If you prefer baths, make sure the wound is well protected and doesn't come into contact with the water. Taking these precautions can help ensure that your wound heals properly and without complications. Section 6. Other medical conditions and jacuzzi use. Certain other medical conditions might also warrant caution when it comes to jacuzzi use. Individuals with diabetes, for instance, often have reduced sensitivity to heat and might not realize they're overheating in a jacuzzi until it's too late. Those with weakened immune systems are also more susceptible to infections and might want to avoid jacuzzis, especially public ones. If you have any underlying health conditions, it's always best to talk to your doctor about the safety of jacuzzi use. Section 7. Children and jacuzzi safety. Children are particularly vulnerable to overheating in jacuzzis due to their smaller body size and less developed ability to regulate their body temperature. It's generally recommended that children under the age of 5 avoid jacuzzis altogether. Older children should be supervised closely when using a jacuzzi, and the water temperature should be lower than what's recommended for adults. Limit their time in the jacuzzi to prevent overheating and make sure they stay hydrated. Section 8. General precautions for jacuzzi users. Even if you're generally healthy, there are some general precautions to keep in mind when using a jacuzzi. Always shower before and after using a jacuzzi to remove any dirt, lotion, or other substances that can contaminate the water. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water before, during, and after using a jacuzzi, especially if you're spending an extended period in the hot water. Avoid consuming alcohol before or during jacuzzi use, as it can increase the risk of dehydration and dizziness. Section 9. When in doubt, consult your doctor. If you're unsure whether it's safe for you to use a jacuzzi, don't hesitate to consult your doctor. They can assess your individual health status, consider any underlying medical conditions, and provide personalized advice on whether jacuzzi use is appropriate for you. Your doctor can also advise you on any specific precautions you might need to take, such as limiting your time in the jacuzzi or adjusting the water temperature to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Section 10. Conclusion. Enjoy jacuzzis safely. Jacuzzis can be a wonderful way to relax and unwind, but it's essential to be aware of the potential risks, especially for certain individuals. By understanding who should avoid jacuzzis and following some simple precautions, you can help ensure a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone. Remember, when in doubt, always consult your doctor.